Hi, my name is Mel, and the following presentation will explore the critical aspects of cloud storage solutions. We will examine what cloud storage is, the benefits it offers, the risks involved, and the key strategies for maintaining or managing those risks effectively. And I will cover cloud elsewhere as well. This is just a basic of cloud storage. This is sort of like a very basic idea. I will cover more in depth about cloud and hybrid environments and the types of cloud services you can get. Okay. So today we'll begin by introducing cloud storage and its market landscape, then discuss its key benefits. After that, we will analyse the risks associated with cloud storage, followed by strategies to mitigate those risks for secure and efficient use. Understanding cloud storage is essential as it transforms how data is stored and accessed. This section covers the basics, types of services, and an overview of major providers shaping the market. So cloud storage refers to storing data on remote servers accessed via the internet. It enables users to save and retrieve data from anywhere, facilitating flexible and scalable data management. Okay, so with the cloud, you are talking about actual computers, computers and devices, but they're just elsewhere, okay? Via the internet, you access via the internet. Cloud storage services are commonly categorized as public, private, and hybrid, and community clouds. Each type varies in terms of access control and deployment models, catering to different organizational needs. So public cloud offers scalable access to storage over the internet managed by third-party providers. Private clouds provides dedicated resources for a single organization, enhancing security and control. Hybrid cloud integrates public and private clouds, allowing flexible data deployment strategies. And community cloud is shared amongst organizations with common concerns, offering collaborative resource use. Leading cloud services providers include Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. The market is rapidly growing as more businesses adopt cloud technologies for their data needs. Cloud storages offer many advantages, including improved accessibility, scalability, and cost savings, and enhanced disaster recovery options, making an attractive solution for businesses of all sizes. Cloud storage allows users to access their data anytime from anywhere, all right? And so that's a good, flexible way of doing things. Cloud storage can easily scale up resources up or down based on demand, enabling cost control by paying only for what is used, which is especially beneficial for growing businesses. So it can be much more cost efficient, okay? Cloud storage provides robust backup and disaster recovery solutions that protect data from loss due to hardware failures or natural disasters, ensuring business continuity. And I would really recommend people use cloud and on-site storage to back up data in multiple locations, quite honestly, and maybe more than one cloud backup option. Despite its benefits, cloud storage presents risks such as data security issues, potential outages, and regulatory challenges. Understanding these risks is vital for informed decision making. Data stored in the cloud may be vulnerable to unauthorized access, breaches, or cyber attacks, raising concerns about confidentiality, control over sensitive information. Yeah, all of those can be an issue. So that's something you'd have to take definitely into consideration. Cloud providers can experience outages or technical faults that disrupt access to data. Additionally, improper configurations or failures may lead to data loss or corruption. Yeah, and that's definitely an issue, all right? That's why I would suggest you have more than one cloud provider or more than one location stored the data. But if you've got just one cloud provider and that goes down for some reason, you could be in a lot of trouble. So, using cloud storage involves navigating complex legal requirements, data sovereignty laws, and industry-specific regulations which can affect how and where data is stored and processed. And that's something too that you will need to have a look at as well. To safely leverage cloud storage, organisations must adopt best practices for data protection, select reputable providers, and implement strong access controls to reduce vulnerabilities. Encrypting data, regularly updating security protocols, and performing audits help safeguard data integrity and confidentiality in cloud environments. And it really is on the customers to encrypt their data and have secure protocols on their end. Okay, and security audits also very, very important to make sure that data integrity in compliance with security standards is kept. Okay. Evaluating providers based on their security standards, compliance certifications, and uptime history is crucial to ensure dependable and secure cloud storage. Yeah, and you need to do that, all right? So you need to check what are they responsible for and what are you responsible for. Make sure they spell that out. They should have compliance certification, so industry standard compliance, and that ensure legal and regulatory adherence, because every country will have those as well. And you need to see how, their uptime history, how long have they been down, the sort of outage history, that sort of stuff as well. Okay, so that's something you all need to consider. Utilising strong authentication methods. So authentication is saying, I'm going to authenticate who I am. I'm going to prove my identity. So it's authenticating you as a user on a system. Role-based access, so what is your role in the company or what is the role you're going to do? And continuous monitoring helps prevent unauthorized data access and reduces insider threats. Look, nothing, and I'm going to repeat this, nothing is unhackable, but you can certainly help reduce the risks, okay? But nothing is unhackable. It just isn't. That's just the way, unfortunately, it's going, okay? So you need to remember that they pretty much tell all companies now to assume data breach. Okay, that's a sad way of life, but it is what it is. So in conclusion, cloud storage offers compelling benefits, but also introduces significant risks. By understanding these risks and applying effective mitigation strategies, organizations can harness cloud storage securely and maximize its advantages. Thank you for your time.